this video I am going to share with you that what is Zulu network. Okay, so now in the crypto space, especially in the airdrop and testnet marketplace, this name Zulu is so trending. Okay, so what is the secret behind Zulu network? What is the their how Zulu is work? So there, if I read their bio on Twitter, let's move Bitcoin forward. Zulu empowers the Bitcoin economy with BitFi, dApps, and limited BTC native innovation. So it is a DeFi, protocol. So you can use this thing doing bridge, swapping, staking, liquidity, all sort of thing. So they are not is in mainnet yet, so you can still join their airdrop. Okay, and you can interact with the website blockchain, you can interact with the DeFi. Okay, so if I go to another site on Google, here we will notice that their total raised 3 million, and who are invested in this company. Okay, almost 9+ company invested. So if you noticed here that water credit capital, web3.com venture, and so on and so forth, company is invested on Zulu network, almost $3 million invested. And if you want to join their airdrop, you can check out this video's description box, where you will get the information about Zulu airdrop. Okay, however, but we are not talking about here airdrop. You can get dedicated video about airdrop testnet that I already posted, uploaded. You can check out this video. Okay, so however, today's video is what is Zulu is. So Zulu is cryptocurrency, would be now it is an cryptocurrency online digital company in order to doing a lot of things. Okay, so bridging, swapping, liquidity, staking, all sort of thing. Okay, so this is the thing that Zulu does. Okay, so and nothing else except that, like, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is cryptocurrency. What is Zulu? Zulu is potential cryptocurrency, but not yet published on any market. Okay, but they are checking their website, and after check their websites, they will create their one token. That name would be Zulu. Okay, and you can, even they will have their one network, Zulu network, like Ethereum network, BHC network, Aptos network as well, as they provide a lot of biggest airdrop already. So same like that Zulu would be do. Okay, in the future. So you can interact with their websites before going to mainnet, doing testnet. So they will give you some faucet, and you can use their faucet by using stacking or liquidity, providing liquidity, bridging, swapping, so on and so forth, with interact with their websites. You don't need to use your one money here, and this is the most important thing. If I click on their link here, if you noticed that what is their website is look like, and what you need to do, I've already showed you. I don't want to share with you this type of information. You need to connect your wallet, MetaMask, and connect LinkedIn, like your Twitter, Discord, and blah blah blah. So click on this Zulu network and click on this connect network, and there will be connect. Okay, so straightforward, easy to do. Okay, so I don't want to share, I don't want to I don't want to show you this thing. You can check out my previous video about Zulu airdrop testnet. I already published, uploaded this video. Check out this video. Okay, in order to joining on airdrop. And here is their fundraising. If I click on there, and pretty amazing, everything you can see here, that their investor, here is their investor, And this is the thing. So which project you want to see, write down on comment and come into my telegram, where you will get a like, yeah, latest airdrop update. Okay, see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.